If you're looking for an AI tool that's just been released and can completely transform your creative process, Picsart Creative APIs AI is something you need to know about. In this review, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this software, why it stands out, and how it can help you boost your creative workflow. First off, let me mention that you can try Picsart Creative APIs for completely free using the link in the description below. You won't want to miss out on that. Let's dive right in. If you're familiar with Picsart, you know it's all about empowering creators with powerful tools. But what's unique about these creative APIs is how they open up a new level of creativity through automation and AI. If you've ever wanted to integrate advanced photo editing, graphic design, or even AR-based features into your own apps or website, these APIs make it incredibly simple. One of the first things you'll notice is the sheer range of creative options. From background removal to advanced image enhancement, the API allows you to integrate these powerful tools directly into your own platform, offering your users a seamless experience. And it's not just for pros. Whether you're a casual creator or a seasoned designer, these APIs provide access to professional-grade tools that were once only available through a desktop app. The real magic of this software lies in its flexibility. You can integrate these APIs into your website or app and tailor the results to your specific needs. If you're building an app that requires photo editing or graphic design, this could be a game changer. This makes it perfect for developers looking to build creative features into their products quickly. Another big feature that sets Picsart Creative APIs apart is their AI-driven image enhancement. This technology automatically adjusts images, optimizes colors, and improves quality, all with minimal input from the user. If you've ever struggled with fine-tuning images manually, this is going to save you a ton of time while delivering consistent results. Let's talk about scalability. This tool doesn't just help individuals, it's built for enterprises. If you're running a business and need to automate creative processes for a large number of images, the API can handle it with ease. Whether you're in e-commerce, marketing, or social media, having a scalable solution like this can drastically improve your productivity. Security is always a concern when using third-party services, but Picsart Creative APIs has robust encryption and secure protocols to ensure your data is safe. They've taken extra steps to ensure that the API is not only powerful, but also safe to use at scale. Now, it's not just about photos either. If you're into creative tech and love experimenting with AR, Picsart Creative APIs offers AR-based image effects that will blow your mind. You can add interactive AR elements to your images, making your design stand out even more. This feature is perfect for modern digital marketers looking to captivate an audience with new, interactive visuals. By the way, if you're still not convinced, I encourage you to try the API for yourself. The free trial lets you explore all these features before committing. Trust me, once you get your hands on it, you'll realize just how much easier your creative process can be. To wrap it up, the Picsart Creative APIs are designed to take your creative projects to the next level. Whether you're a developer, designer, or business owner, these tools offer flexibility, power, and automation, all built into a seamless API that's ready for you to integrate. Don't forget to check out the link below for a free trial and see what the buzz is all about. And before you go, if you want to explore other great AI tools I've personally tested, check the description for my recommendations. I've reviewed thousands of AI solutions, and these are the best I've found.